You know, I hate to see it. People who have been wanting to make music, but they just don't start because they think you need to be able to do all kinds of fancy stuff, but you don't. So today I'm gonna show you just how far a very simple beat can go. I like starting out with a synth to get my lead melody, and I try different presets, and then one of those is gonna spark an idea. Beautiful. Drums. That's a start, but because I'm going to keep the melody simple, let's add some seasoning. This is a breath sample, and then I pitched it up. Some snaps. And then every 4 bars, I like to add a transition, either by adding something or taking something away. So here I'm adding ear candy. And here I leave it open. Next for bass, I added 808s, a very simple pattern. And for the intro, I kept the drums, but I added some higher 808s, so we have some variation. And with the drums, and then I went to splice for a vocal sample.
Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man.
Change the pitch and the formant to give it that sampled sound. What else is on here? EQ, saturation, stereo delay, and auto pan, just a little. And those are not plugins that I'm like, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. I just try different plugins and then mess around with it a little bit until I like it. And then on a second track, I cut some pieces of the vocal, just so there's a little more happening in the verse. And one is pitched down. And one's pitched up. So this is the entire intro and verse. That's still a monotone, kind of rough sounding verse. So I felt like a little contrast wouldn't hurt, like a little pretty melody to give you kind of a break from all the hard 808 work. So I played some chords. Well, I clicked them in because I don't know how to play like that. I don't know the theory around chords. So in my head, I hear what I want, and then I go look for the notes. That's this piano, by the way. I did want to create a bit of a fuller sound, so I bounced the MIDI down to audio, and then again, just added one plugin after the other until I got the sound I wanted. Because that's a mellow part, I also wanted a mellow bass. It just follows the melody. Bounced it to audio to add a vocal compressor. I have no explanation. I think it sounds good. The drums sound a little different too. I added a hi-hat, and then I have this one hitting every time the snare hits. So the whole thing. And after that, we go straight into the second verse, in which I completely changed the melody. You'll be like, Alice, is this a different song? I'm kidding. I raised one note, one octave. And then it's back to the mellow part, and I added the rest of the vocal sample. And to ease into that, I added an early chord. And this is a little trick. Instead of automating the volume, it can sound really nice if you have a little low pass sweep. So I automated the high cut. So the ending sounds like this. And then I added a little fade out on the stereo bus just to make sure that everything's at 0 at the end of the song. And if you're wondering, how on earth can this turn into a song? One of my favorite artists, Austin Crute, he just dropped an album, by the way, go check that out. He wrote an amazing song to this. I'll link the song and his writing and recording session below. Go leave Austin a nice comment. And here are some snippets of what he did on the rough 808 part and the mellow melodic part.
Look at these headlights, blurring all down the street, ayy. Dripping cup water, neck wrist no degrees, ayy. Look at your daughter, I'm a new daddy, ayy. In the baddie, in the baddie, ayy. In the natty. Hold on. Alright, we getting into it, we getting into it. We getting into it. Run that, no mask. You see the bag, run that too. See it, we take it, see it, we take it. Discussions, no room. See it, we take it. Discussions, no room. Why ask? Why ask? Why ask? All right, we did that thing.
All right, I hope you got something out of this. Now go and have fun making music. Shoo!